attention!
Every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should wake up and enjoy the sun. First of all, wishing you all a cheerful morning. I am Daksha SD. Today's online assembly is conducted by class 4B. Prayer purifies our mind. Now I invite Sabit S for prayer.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Thank you. Let's invite Niranjana for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you. News make us understand what is happening around the world. So, let's welcome Pranav for news reading.
Good morning. Read it now news by Pranav P. Corby. November 1, 2021, Kerala Private School would reopen with proper COVID-19 guidelines. Today, 707 fresh COVID cases in Kollam. The central government has proposed to mandate the use of a safety harness and helmet for children riding with loan on two-wheeler. Weather report. Heavily rains like in Kerala this week. Weather department. Sports news. 2020 World Cup. Haris Ruff shines as Pakistan depart New Zealand by 5 wickets. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I gladly invite Riddhi K. Binoj for singing a song.
Good morning. I am Riddhi K. Binoj. Horse, peas, beans and barley grow. Horse, peas, beans and barley grow. Do you, I or anyone know how horse, peas, beans and barley grow? First the farmer sows his seed. Then he stands and takes his ease. He stamps his feet and claps his hands and turns around to view his land.
Thank you. Let's invite Avantika Anil for telling a story.
My dear friends and teachers, I am presenting you a story of Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl with her mother in a village nearby the forest. She always wore red dress. One day, she go to visit her grandma. She take a basket full of food with her. On the way, she saw a big bad wolf, and the big bad wolf asked to the Riding Hood, "Where are you going, little girl?" And the Riding Hood said, "I'm going to visit my grandma." She go from the wolf, and the wolf said, "I want to go before Riding Hood came there." And as he thought, the wolf came grandma's house before Riding Hood get there, and the wolf take grandma and put it in the cupboard, and he put grandma's dress and act like grandma. Riding Hood knocked the door and get into the house and said, "Oh grandma, what ears you have?" And wolf said, "Because I want to hear you, dear." And Riding Hood said, "Oh grandma, what eyes you have?" And wolf said, "Because I want to see you, dear." And Riding Hood said, "Grandma, what teeth you have. And the moon said, because I want to eat you, Riding Hood. Riding Hood screamed loud, help, help. Just in time, Pedro the hunter came there and killed the wolf, saved Grandma and Riding Hood. The end. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's welcome Kashna for a speech.
Speak on the topic Kerala Paravi. Kerala is also known as God own country, is one of the most beautiful states of India. The state was formed on November 1st, 1956 after India got independence from the British. This day is celebrated as Kerala Piravi, the birthday of Kerala every year. We believed our state formed by Parashurama threw his axe across the Arabian Sea. That place changed to land. EMS Nambudiri Pat was our first chief minister. The first election was done on 1957. The day to remember our tradition, culture, arts, etc. Here I request all of you to follow our culture and tradition. I am proud to be a Kerala. Thank you.
Assembly, attention! Standardities, attention! National anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Assembly, disperse.